Welcome to the Smithsonian Learning Lab. In this video, you'll learn how to assign collections to groups of learners and track learner responses through the lab's roster and assignment features. The Smithsonian is committed to protecting the privacy of our users, and as such, only students 13 and older will be able to engage with these tools. Each student will also need their own Learning Lab account. Your first step will be to create a roster. To create a roster, click the Smithsonian sunburst in the upper right of any page while you're logged into the Learning Lab. Here, click Rosters. On this page, you can create a new roster by clicking the plus sign in the upper right corner of this page. Then you'll complete the prompts. I'm going to create a roster for a social studies class. So I'm going to call this roster 4th hour social studies. I'm going to fill in the description later. And then I have some settings to select who can join my roster. Here, I'm going to say users with password, and I'm going to set a password for my roster, history 22. Then I'll save my changes. Back on the rosters page, again, I'll navigate there by clicking the sunburst icon in the upper right and clicking rosters. I can also view and manage existing rosters by clicking on the roster that I'd like to view. This will allow me to access current and past assignments, as well as the list of students registered to the roster. To add students to a roster, first ensure that each has a Learning Lab account, then copy and share the roster link available on this page, and if you created the password as well. When the students click on the link that you send to them, they will be prompted to add themselves to your roster. After creating a roster, your next step will be to assign a collection to it. If you'd like to assign a collection created by another user, like this one I've got open here, you'll want to copy it to your account first. You can learn more about copying and adapting a collection by watching the video linked in this video's description. Now that I've copied this collection, I'm ready to assign it to my roster. When I'm ready to assign a collection on my account to my roster, I'll click the assignment button in the upper right of my collection. It's shaped like a folder. Here, I'll follow the prompts to assign this collection to an existing roster. I can assign it to more than one roster if I like as well. If you'd like to access your assignments and monitor student progress at any time, click the sunburst icon in the upper right corner of any page on the lab, and then click Assignments. On this page, click any assignment to see details of the learning activity, the list of students you assigned it to, their status towards completion, and more.